In today's video, I am going to explain how to export reference citation from ScienceDirect, ACS and RSC journals. Why we need to export reference citation? The answer is you can use this RIS file in Endnote or Mendeley or similar reference manager applications. Many of you know the purpose of Endnote or Mendeley. They are reference managers. In simple, they can convert your references according to your journal wishes. It means if you are going to submit your research article in number of journals, each journal is different format. If you are manually changing, it's time consuming and also there is a chance of making mistakes. Before you are using reference manager, you need to export reference citation in RIS format. RIS is abbreviated as Research Information System File, a common file format used by many journals and reference managers. In the first part, I will explain how to export reference citation in RIS format from ScienceDirect. In Google, search your ScienceDirect document as shown in the video. Click the first result of your document. A new page will open. This is the ScienceDirect journal page. In this, you can see Cite button. Just click it and then click Export Citation to RIS. So it will ask to save a file. Click Save it. It will save in Download folder. Just rename the file as number 1. In second part, I will explain how to export RIS file from ACS. For this, search your document in Google. It will show the results of your document. Click the first result. After that, ACS journal page opens. Just click RIS and then citation. Your export document file will download it in the downloads folder. Then rename it into 2. In the third part, I am going to explain how to download RIS format file from RSC journal. For this, you need to search your document in Google. Your document will show up in the result. Click your document. Your document open in RSC journal. The RSC journal format is slightly different from ScienceDirect and ACS. The citation is shown in the right side of the page. It contains many citation formats, including Endnote, reference manager, RefWorks also. But you need to click RIS in the end. Then click Go. Your reference file will be saved in Downloads folder. Rename the reference file into 3.